Hi, this is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and repair your laptop keyboard. Most of the time when a laptop keyboard breaks, a key breaks off or the mechanism underneath is broken. It is hard for the everyday consumer to replace this because you cannot track down the parts. So the easiest thing to do is to buy a replacement keyboard. These are affordable and cheap and easy to install. Prices ranging anywhere from $25 to $35. The first thing you want to do is you need to remove the power button cover. This will expose the screws that are holding the keyboard in place. Go ahead and remove those screws. And lift the keyboard out. You want to gently disconnect the keyboard connector. Go ahead and take your new keyboard. Reinstall it into the connector and screw it back into place. Replace your power button cover. And that's it. You don't need to upgrade any software or install any drivers to make this work. This is Nathan with PartsPeople.com.